This story is called I Am Yoga by Susan Verde. The art illustrations are by Peter H. Reynolds. When I feel small in a world so big, when I wonder how I fit in, when the world is spinning so fast, I tell my wiggling body, be still. I tell my thinking mind, be quiet. I tell my racing breath, be slow. I close my eyes and make room in my mind, in my heart, to create and imagine. I am yoga. I can touch the sky, I am so tall. I can soar among the clouds, I am so free. I can sparkle with the stars, I shimmer and shine. I can dance with the moon, I light up the night. I can sail on the sea, I can go with the flow. I can open my heart, I feel love. I can see far and wide, I am focused. I can turn things upside down, I am playful. I can stand up for me, I can stand up for others. I can stand up for peace. I can open like a flower, I am beautiful. I can carry beauty with me, I am full. I can say I've had enough for today, I relax. I can rest, I am calm. Now the world is just the right speed. Now the world is just the right size. Now I see I fit in just fine. I am yoga. I can be anything. The end. And those are all, if you look at here, there's all the different poses that are on each page. Downward dog and tree pose. The